Buenas everyone! Today's Guam recipe is pickled daikon or Chamorro daigo. It will keep in your fridge for months and is excellent as a crunchy snack on its own or with rice and meat. A printable written recipe is linked below. You'll need daikon, cucumber or pepino in Chamorro, water or hanam, vinegar or binekli, sugar or asuka, salt or siga, and hot pepper or doni. Carefully drain the juice into a glass mixing bowl. This is just the long white radish you sometimes find at a store. They've simply colored it yellow. No matter how often I try, the liquid splashes everywhere. Just a fair warning. The colored radish comes in whole logs like this or already cut in half down its length. I like slicing it into semicircles, but it's also popular when cut into whole circles. Do you remember buying sandwich bags full of Daigo on Guam and rakyul, pickled papaya, pickled mango? Comment below with your favorite pickled treat and where you got it on Guam. A popular variation of Chamorro pickled daigo is adding cucumber. Take off 4 sections of the peel. Hold on, let me clear this. I prefer the seedless variety, but traditionally, Chamorros use the regular cucumbers with seeds. Most of us know that pickles are made from cucumbers, but for those of you that grew up on Guam, remember the sour pickle trees? They are actually cucumber trees that grew sour cucumbers. I like to match the shapes between the two veggies. I'm going to slice only half and save the other half of the cucumber for Guam style sushi and rice paper spring rolls. Let's make the traditional Guam daigo recipe first. This is 1 cup of plain distilled vinegar, 1 3/4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of table salt, and doni. Thai pepper is very similar to what we grow on Guam. You may use red pepper paste, and if you're desperate, hot pepper flakes will work. Stir until you can't hear or feel the grittiness of the salt and sugar. Do a taste test. Daigo should be a bit on the sweet side, so add more sugar if needed. Add more doni too if you like it spicy. I found over the years that I need to add more sugar than when I originally wrote this recipe forever ago. Soak the daigo at least 4 hours. This will last many months in your fridge. Add more sugar again. It's easy to make cucumber and daigo combination. Just add daigo mix to the bowl of cucumbers. Keep in mind that the cucumbers will turn to pickles after a few days. Stir and soak about 4 hours. Hey, you want some Chamorro barbecue? It's good. By the way, you can freeze Guam barbecue ribs or Guam barbecue chicken for later, and my Chamorro recipe for red rice freezes well too. My other Guam food recipes are linked above and below this video. Yeah, it's good. But wait, I've got 3 other ideas for you. First, Chamorro cucumber finadeni. This is equal parts soy sauce and vinegar and water, about 1/4 cup each. Add hot pepper to taste. This is more diluted than traditional Guam finadeni. Stir to combine it well. This mixture penetrates the cucumber quickly, so eat it all up fast or take the cucumbers out of the sauce after about 4 hours. You can also add sliced daigo to your kimchi for a great contrast of sweetness, bitterness, and sourness. And my all-time favorite memories of my childhood on Guam is cubed daigo and rice. If you like sushi rice, this is the perfect Guamanian dish for you. The daigo and its pickling juice flavor the rice so much so, it's as if you were eating sushi. This is just so good, you guys. Yum. Two lovers point on Guam. It's Guam's legend where two young Chamorro lovers tied their hair together and jumped to their death. Look at that water. See the rain coming down? It's the vertical gray bands from the clouds to the ocean. And look at that blue that surrounds our island. I miss it so much, you guys. Please subscribe, and I'd love a thumbs up too if you like this video. Remember to click on the links for more of my Chamorro food recipes. Si Julis Maasi, and I'm forever grateful. Thank you.